What if these two songs were sung like a conversation? I try carrying the weight of the world, but I only have two hands. Hope I get the chance to travel the world, but I don't have any plans. One day my father, he told me, son, don't let it slip away. He took me in his arms, I heard him say, when you get older, your wild heart will live for younger days. Think of me if ever you're afraid. He said one day you'll leave this world behind. So when I'm wiser and I'm older, my father's told me when I was just myself, and these are the nights that never die.